If you want to set a live wallpaper on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, what you can do is, first of all, you can go to Settings. Then over here, we're going to scroll down a little bit and go to Personalize. And then you want to tap on the lock screen wallpaper over here. And you should be able to find the dynamic option. So in here, we can find a couple of wallpapers that have some form of animation. So for example, I'm going to get this one. We actually have to download them, so you need to tap on them to start downloading them. And then within like a couple of seconds, you should be able to use them. There we go. So now we can tap on it to set it up. Just tap on the set wallpaper option in here, and then you can decide if you want to set it on home screen, lock screen, or both. There we go. Now in here, you can see that we have just like a tiny animation that plays for a short while. And if you're looking for more examples, if the list of wallpapers is not really satisfying, then you can also get a third-party app that allows you to get live wallpapers. So in this case, we can go to the Play Store, and then here we can start searching. And you can just type something like live wallpaper, for example, or something similar like animated wallpaper or video wallpaper. And you should be able to find a bunch of different apps that at least in theory should allow you to get live wallpapers. Now, in my case, I'm going to use this app over here, Edge. I've been using it before, and I think it has the largest library of different wallpapers, so definitely there is something for everyone. But if you don't like this app, then of course you can try anything else from this list. I actually encourage you to do so, so you can try to find your favorite wallpaper or favorite app by doing so. So let's download the app, and once it is ready to be used, we want to, of course, open it. All right, so let's open it. Now over here, we need to tap on accept and continue. Then over here, we're gonna accept again. You don't have to agree to receive notifications, so I'm gonna tap on not now over here. Then we have the premium offer, which we can close by using this X in the upper right corner. Now here we can switch to video wallpapers category, and you should be able to find a bunch of different wallpapers. And of course, you can just try to look for your favorite one. We also have categories in here at the top, so you can just try to find whatever you like, of course. Now, once you find something that you might be interested in, then of course we can tap over here to see how the animation looks like. And if you like the wallpaper, you can just tap on this download button here, this purple one. And then we have the option to get the wallpaper. So in some cases, we have to, for example, tap on the prompt over here. In this case, for some reason, it doesn't work. I'm not sure why. There we go. So we have the option to watch an ad, and then after watching an ad for like half a minute or so, then you should be able to get the wallpaper. Or you can use credits. Now, usually these wallpapers cost 10 credits to use them, and we get 10 credits for free after installing the app, so technically the first wallpaper is completely free. In my case, I'm going to tap the watch ad in here, and I'm going to wait for the ad to be done. Alright, there we go. Now we can tap to set a video wallpaper. And then we should be able to set it up. There we go. Tap on set wallpaper at the bottom, and then choose if you want it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna set it for both screens. And there we go. We should have our animated wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.